Greetings, it's Daphne, and I'm back with another unboxing video. It's been a long while since I did one of these, so you're gonna have to forgive me if I'm a little rusty, but I'm here today to do a Vegancuts unboxing. I think I've done Vegancuts before. I started subscribing to Vegancuts, maybe 2 years ago, I can't remember, but Vegancuts is one of a number of different types of curated boxes that you can obtain, and all of the products in this box are vegan, and with every box is included a friend for you to understand why it is you're supporting Vegancuts and who they support. But also on the back of this card is a summary of all of the items in the box, so that once you've eaten it, you can remember what it was, you can go back to it, and if you want to order more, you can get it. But just to remind you, once again, this is the Vegancuts Snack Box. I have not done a review of any of their beauty boxes. As you can see, beauty may not be my thing, but I may do one of those unboxings someday soon. So in this box, we have 11 different products, and I'll take a look at them and I'll share some of them with you. The first that's coming out the box is the Zolli candy pops, and these are healthy lollipops that taste great and are good for you, and they're good for your smile, most likely because of some of the lack of sugars. They're actually supercharged with xylitol and erythritol as opposed to sugar. There's also some Unisoy vegan jerky. Those of you who like jerky or who have transitioned to a plant-based diet and miss your jerky, there are lots of different vegan jerkies you can try. The Unisoy is either, this flavor is the spicy mild flavor, and they come in teriyaki, black pepper, mild spicy, and this is made of textured vegetable protein, soy protein, has about 1 gram of fat, 13 grams of carbohydrates, and 6 grams of protein. So looks pretty interesting, and I'll let you know how it tastes. Next up is one of my favorites. This is from the Soulfull project. It's Hearty grains and seed cereal, and I'm a big grain eater. Those of you who know me know I can eat grains even dry, so I'm looking forward to trying something from the Soulfull project. This is rolled oats, red quinoa, chia, and flax, and it's made without sugar. So I'll let you know how this tastes too. This one will be interesting. These are Pigless pork rinds. Okay. So the Pigless pork rinds, not necessarily saying that it sounds appealing to me, but they are made with quite a few ingredients: pea protein, sunflower oil, tomato powder. I'm not going to judge. I've never tried them. I will let you know how they taste, but probably not the first on my list to try. If you haven't tried RightRice, I would highly encourage you to give it a try. RightRice is a nice vegetable-based substitute for traditional rice. It's a blend of lentils, chickpeas, and peas, and it actually is higher in protein than the standard white rice. It cooks up great, it's nice and fluffy. Probably my only comment on the RightRice is I find it a little bit salty, mainly because I don't tend to have a lot of sodium in my foods, but I can definitely tell you that it's tasty if you want a nice vegetable-based rice substitute. This is another one I've never tried. Beviva PURPO, all-in-one cereal made with probiotics. So it says it's sweet and fruity start to the day, no plant milk needed. Looks like you just pour the oat milk powder and you add water and you're ready to go. So this looks like it could be great if you're on the run, you don't want to necessarily take something with you in terms of a liquid, and it's dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, and has only 200 calories for the container. Look interested in trying this. There are a couple packets of some Miracle Tree chamomile infused tea. You also have a Rise nitro brewed coffee. I'm not a big coffee drinker, but maybe I'll give this to a friend and see what they think. You've also got some Joolies. These are pitted dates. I don't know if any of you are big fans of dates. I love dates. Could probably eat this whole box very easily, but dates are a great plant-based substitute for sweetener. You add them to your shakes, you add them to your smoothies, you add them to your recipes. So it's always nice to have some dates around the house. Just 2 more items. A MacroBar. This is one of the GoMacro bars, and this is the Smooth Sanctuary. It's double chocolate and peanut butter chips. Again, this is organic, vegan, and gluten-free. Each bar has about 280 calories, 10 grams of fat, 36 grams of carbs, and about 11 grams of protein. And to finish up the box, we have a cookie plus protein. This one's new to me. So let me take a look on the card here for the cookie plus protein. This is from Bake City, USA. It's a soft baked chocolate chip cookie full of plant-powered energy. And there's only 1 container, about 230 calories, 7 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of protein. So that's it for the May Vegancuts unboxing. Again, here's a quick summary of what's in the box. I would definitely encourage you to go to Vegancuts site, vegancuts.com. Take a look at all of the different types of boxes they offer, from the snack box to the beauty box, and I would give them a try. I'll let you know how some of these products taste in an upcoming video, and thanks for listening today. Take care. Bye-bye.